are here with another daily trade recap. This is December 5th, 2025. I'm just showing you guys what I traded today. So we'll start off by looking at our daily profile here. We can see that London session manipulates these Asian session highs and reverses down here, and then New York pre-market ends up finishing that liquidity sweep, as we can see here on NASDAQ and also the S&P 500. So also we can see that in Forex Factory here, there's no news that's really coming out today that should be anything important, especially here. This is from when the government was shut down. This is just basically expectations. So I'll dive in and show you my trade. So we'll go on the 5 minute here for both of them, and we can delete these. Just make it clear for you guys. So what we can see is that New York comes down here and manipulates these Asia lows on both indexes, and we see that basically we break structure here on the S&P 500 from these highs, and that's our first confluence of a 5 minute confirmation confluence. And then we come down and there's this fair value gap that we bounce off of, and then also on NASDAQ we do the same thing. We break structure to the upside here from these highs, and then we come down, we hit equilibrium here. As you can see there, we come to equilibrium, and there's also this fair value gap here that we manipulate off. So I was looking at ES because it had a lot closer draws on liquidity compared to NASDAQ. From here to there, ES was looking better at the time. So we'll scale down to the 1 minute time frame here, and we can see that we come into this fair value gap here, and now I'm basically just waiting for a 1 minute confirmation confluence, and we get a break of structure from these highs right here at 946 on ES. But on NASDAQ, I'll show you on the 1 minute time frame, we have our highs here, and you can see at, oh sorry, wrong one. We can see at here we have these highs at 943, and at 945 we break structure here, which was a minute earlier than here on the S&P 500. So basically I went back and saw that. So once they both closed, it was 946, this candle here, I entered once I saw the other side was open, and I put my stop loss at these 1 minute lows because typically you do two of them, but I was just potentially expecting that we go up to these highs here and maybe form an SMT to the downside, but we kept going, and these lines are 1 hour draws on liquidity, and we basically ended up the day smoking through these things. I got a 4.06 risk to reward ratio, so good day here. I will continue posting videos like this, and if you like them, make sure to follow and subscribe.